lights. Man, these handles feel so weak.
You want to record that? That's kind of cool. Damn, look at that green.
Yeah, they're very vintage. Aqua green.
Radio.
Neon orange. Weird. I program some channels.
Orange. Where's the lights over here? Over here.
Oh, to turn off all the lights?
Yeah.
It's on that one.
This one?
Yeah, you just turn the knob down. It just stuck a little bit. The other way.
Oh, wow.
Alright, as I was saying, we were doing this test on this 88 Toyota. 88 Nissan Sentra. Beautiful car. Two-door. Very tough looking. Vintage Japanese classic. I'm testing the CAS at the moment. The CAS, the car looks like it doesn't run anymore. It doesn't start. It has spark. It has fuel. The wire from the O2 sensor seems to function. Has the 12 volts going from the red, and the two other wires, green and white, are signal wires. Red one reads 12 volts, more or less, and the green and the white read 4.6 wires from the O2 sensor. Now, I did see a guy on YouTube. He has a 240Z. I don't know his name. I think he has like 19,000 views for that video, or 1.9 thousand. How to test a CAS, or a crank angle sensor, which he explains a little in detail. You know, these type of distributors, which I never experienced before, I never seen, but they use them in high performance Nissan engines like the Godzilla, Nissan Skyline, and the GTRs, and you know, other applications with horsepower. So it's not a cheap distributor. Oh, battery's dying. And cut. As I was saying before the camera cut off. Yeah, these distributors are pretty good because they use them in more modern 90s engines, and probably in today's engines. But I never experienced or seen one of these before, you know, up close, and I never tested one neither. So I don't know the voltage on these, but this will exceed, I think, 1 volt or something. Well, from the guy's video, I'm assuming can't be millivolts. So I tried testing it with alligator clips yesterday. The red wire, which is right here, reads 12.6 or 12.3, more or less, 12 volts. The other, like I said, that the wire going to the distributor, not the oxygen sensor. We already talked about that. The red one, it reads 12 volts, 12.3, 12.6. I don't remember because I never recorded it. It was late at night. The black one's ground, and what was it? I tried to spin the distributor around. It did not fluctuate or anything. It stayed locked. Now the white and the green, couldn't test the green because the white because the white was so close to the black, and I'm afraid the alligator clips might make contact with each other and spark. As for the green one, I read it, and I forgot if it was 0 or it was stuck at 12. I forgot. But we're gonna do a test right now with this connected like this, since someone mentioned on the forum for a different model car, I think for a GTR or something, they wanted to test a CAS system, and they told him just take out the sensor, spin the distributor, take off the fuel pump fuse, so the fuel doesn't go into the oil and get, you know, all diluted and crap, you know. So at the moment, there's not a lot of info online on this engine. Well, there's info, but there's not specific info I'm looking for. So I wanted to test this out to see if it works. There's no voltage diagrams or schematics or, you know, charts to say how many volts does this thing produce. So I'm just gonna do it a little bit my way by following someone else. You know, let me take off this battery for another one since this battery's dying too, sadly, because you know, I'm recording on an old camera. Idling up and down. Idling up and down. See? Right now it's idling up and down. This is disconnected. About the 20. As you can see, it's going 20. It's at 20, past 20, going down to 15, right at 20. Nothing there yet. 1 second. Pump the gas. The fuse inside is off. The fuel pump, electrical, is off. I disconnected it. Rev it. All right. All right. Good. Ignition?
I think eso es, mira. Mira, es eso. Mira. Eso.
¿Qué?
Eso del pollo de esto.
This?
Yeah.
So
Por eso que no está así.
turn it off.
¿Viste? Beautiful. That's where it should stop. Oh, boy, mira. Se la pegó toda. Let it take a break.
All right. At least it lubricated.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna stop. 3, 2, 1. All right, change to the new injector. It's brand new. Everything's connected. Everything's seated down. I'm gonna put the fuse back in the car, which is right about now. recording. Everything's on. The fuse pump is on. Okay, I didn't hear no pumping. That's a good sign. So everything's connected. Alright, I turned the key. I did not hear a pump sound, but we're gonna try it anyway. I didn't smell anything. No. I did hear the pump went on. Let's see. Ready? Alright, got the car started with the new injector. But if I let go of the gas, it shuts off. Could be a throttle position sensor. Could be low gas, even though the light's not on. Let's see. So far, so good. It's on. As you can see, key is off. Keys in the ignition, pump, and ready. I didn't hear a pump.
Very smooth, it's running. But that doesn't mean we're going to change the carburetor. If we could get a Weber and put a Weber there and just less headaches, it's better than, you know.
Yeah, all those wires.
Yeah, all those wires and vacuums, and you don't want no problems. So it should be back. Look how that paint shines. I started shining all this over here again with that other 3M stuff. Look at how it shines. Oh, you see the rings? I shine the rings too.
Yeah.
I took the surface rust off.
Oh, okay.
Boom.
Nice.
I think it should be. Did the fan kick on?
Not yet.
Oh, not yet. Let me tap it. Maybe también it's closed.
Hopefully it's not missing the
fuse.
like it says here.
So see if the temperature's inside. How's the temperature inside? If not, we got to turn it off.
Temperature's still cold.
Still cold?
Yeah, gas is all the way down too.
I know, it's kind of low. All right, you want to turn it off, see if it starts by itself?
Yeah.
All right, that's off. Count to 5 and get it right on again.
And ready? 1, 2. Turnkey.
Thanks to you. You're the mechanic, man.
I did nothing.
Yes, you did.
I woke up, drank coffee. That's it.
Crazy, that's it.
Nice.
Going to California now.
Should I shut it off?
Yeah, that's it. Done.
I'll leave the key over here.
Check the fuses. You're not even copying a piece of it. I see we know it's there. Yeah, I gotta make copies of that. That's the only key we have. But anyway, you see?
Nice, nice. It works. Wow.